Okay guys, now that I'm done with the oil pan, with the oil pump and most of the sprockets, I'm gonna wait 1 more hour until I torque the bolts on the oil pan. Then I'm gonna flip the whole block and I'm gonna start putting on the pulleys. When I'm done with that, then I have to wait a couple more days until they finish with the head, because I sent it to the shop. They said they're gonna finish it by the end of the week. Basically what they have to do with the head is hot tank it first, removing everything, replacing the valve guides, lapping the valves. I'm gonna replace the keepers. I'm gonna replace the springs. I think I got the GSC springs, so it should handle the job more efficiently. Pretty much that's it. I still have to put on the alternator, all the pumps and everything, and basically the engine is done. I still have to fix the transmission because one of the bolt is kind of stripped. It's not grabbing that well, so I'm going to use the helicoil. Also, I want to show you guys something with the helicoil. So these are the helicoils. Some of you guys probably seen it. You have a couple different tools just to install these. Basically, you drill a tiny bit larger diameter on the thread that you messed up somehow. Then you're gonna use the specific tool that they're sending you to make a reverse thread inside that bigger hole. Once you're done with that, you're basically installing this, and if you see there's like a tiny tab at the very end, you have to break that, and once that one is broken, this is just a normal thread. You can put your you can install your bolt, and it's gonna hold it forever. The other thing is that I want to show you. So this is the bolt that's going through the engine block and grabs onto the transmission. And the problem with this, obviously I messed up the thread. If you're buying these, focus. Okay, if you're buying just these with the tool, make sure that the thread size and the diameter of the bolt is perfectly matching. Well, I got 2 sets of these, and the reason I got 2 of them is because if you're trying to install it onto the bolt, as you can see, it just slides on, and it should normally go into the thread, and you should thread it on. And I went to ask my machine guy, and he told me since this is like a spring, once you're installing it, it's gonna shrink, and it's gonna shrink to fit the bolt size. So if you're finding yourself in the same situation with the helicoil, don't worry about it. Just get the right thread size, and you're gonna be good to go. So these are the things that I wanted to show you guys. Basically the engine building is done. I don't want to show you the whole exact thing, how to put the engine together, because I already did it once. Nothing really changed over there. Everything bolts right into the same place where it should be. And yeah, probably in the next couple of videos I'm still showing you the exact engine, put it back together again, and finally I can finally install it into the car again. Maybe in the next couple of weeks. I have to hurry the guy to finish the paint job, and once maybe before he finishes the paint job I managed to put back the engine. He just needs to re-weld that metal piece that is holding the engine bracket, I mean the motor mount. Once that is done, and I can just drop in the engine and make sure everything is hooked up, and hopefully that's about it, and I can use the car again. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.